Hi friends, welcome to GS Learning channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to download free antivirus software. First of all, go to Google, type SMADAB, madam, like this you can see here, antivirus software, SMADAB antivirus software official website like this you can see here. Click here, direct you can go to website like this, smadav.net. You can see here download button. It is free antivirus software, no paid version, no need to require registration, no need to license a key also, serial key also. You can download and scan every day or weekly once. It is free version and genuine. While download 1 or 2 minutes takes times. See here it is downloading. Yeah, it is downloaded. Yeah, you can see here. Direct you can install or run. If you want English version, yes. Welcome to Smart Setup version. Next, I accept the agreement. No issues, you can agree. Next, create desktop icon, allow settings, start 6 like that. Installing. That's it. Your system will everyday scan. Free antivirus software you can enjoy, and network issues also almost solved, and your system will automatically fast. So here show details, finish. Okay, you can scan like this. If you want drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, if you want drive scan like this, you can quick scan like this. Automatically all drives are scanned automatically. You can see here like this. Any antivirus files here, virus detected count here, you can check here. So sometimes antivirus it is asking for update. Direct go to website and update. It is automatically updated. Your system will be fast and it also will fast. If you want to like this video, like and share my videos. Please subscribe. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Bye
watching.
bye.
Bye bye. All the best.